Hey everybody, it's Rachel, one of the health coaches on the programme. Today we're doing a Fakeaway cook-along video. So this is a cheaper and healthier alternative to some of your favourite takeaways. So today we're doing a chicken and chickpea curry served with some naan bread. So for this, it serves four. So I've got 4 chicken breasts just roughly diced up. 2 onions finely chopped. I've also got 1 red chilli that's finely diced. Depending on how hot you want your meal, you can take the chilli out, you can add more in, you can use green chilli instead, it's entirely up to you. Also got 6 cloves of garlic, 1 tin of chickpeas that I've just drained and given a rinse, some olive oil for cooking, and then we've got 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of hot chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 2 teaspoons of coriander. And also 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. So let's get cooking. It all goes in one pan, so it's a really great recipe. So you need a non-stick pan on a really high heat, and the first thing to go in is a little bit of oil and the onions. Now we need to cook the onions for about 10 minutes until they go nice and soft, and then we can start adding in the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so our onions have had about 10 minutes, they're nice and soft and going slightly brown. So next we need to add in our chilli and our garlic. And just give that a stir and just cook that for about 1 minute. Everything well covered, and it will start to smell a little bit hot, but yeah, really aromatic. Okay, so now the chilli and the garlic has had about a minute to sear through. We're just going to add in our tomato puree. And then give that a good mixture. Now that's all well mixed together, we're going to add in our chicken breast. And just make sure that the chicken is covered in the tomato onion mixture. Right, so we're going to let the chicken cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, so it's white on all of the sides. It doesn't have to be cooked all the way through, because it's going to be cooked when all the other ingredients are added for another 40 minutes. Our chicken has had about 10 minutes to cook and seal on all sides. It's really covered in that onion and tomato mixture. So next we're going to go in with our spices. And 150 millilitres of boiling water. So we've got turmeric, chilli powder, coriander, and garam masala. And then we're just going to add in our water as well. Now give that a good stir, and then we're going to leave it to cook for about 40 minutes, and then we're going to add in our chickpeas at the very last minute, just to give them 5 minutes to cook through into the curry. So our chicken curry has been cooking for about 40 minutes, and now we just need to add in the chickpeas. These will need about 5 minutes to cook through. So just give them a good stir and a good mix, and then leave to cook for the next 5 minutes. So our chicken curry has had about 45 minutes just to cook through. Our chickpeas are nice and cooked, and this is ready to serve. Now you can choose whatever you like to serve with it, whether it's a side of vegetables, having some cauliflower rice. Today we're just going to serve it with a side of naan bread, and I'm going to put some coriander on top. So let's serve up our curry. So here we have it. This is our chicken and chickpea curry, a cheaper and healthier alternative to what you might find at your local takeaway.